Welcome everybody to our fourth video where you can really see things starting to come together here. You can see the front door there. You can see one of the windows that's been framed out. There's gonna be another window over here. And before I get into more details, I just wanna talk to you guys a little bit about and recap that last video. Our third video was where we poured all the concrete footings. We also poured the concrete for the sewer lines and filled all that in. Now let's go ahead and go inside and talk about what we're doing now. So let's go ahead and walk through our front door entrance here. Everything's still under construction. There's a lot of debris, but you can really see things moving and grooving. Check this out. The garage door has been uninstalled and taken down. Actually, a neighbor went ahead and took that from us, so we recycled that. And look at here. You can see the front door is framed. You got a small window there, another window there. It's really, you're starting to see the bones of what's coming together. And just look how big this unit looks now that everything is, or not everything, but the majority of stuff is gone. And actually just do want to show you one thing here where so they're going to be framing up this wall pretty soon. This concrete curb that you see here is basically a water barrier, and then they're going to go ahead and frame directly on top of that. You see some of the lumber here that is going to be used for that. And yeah, so we're working on that. We're also working on the door frame. They're going to be getting this, there's a post that's going to be going here all the way up into the ceiling. I'm going to let Carlos talk to you.
We're just doing the framing of the windows. So
Take a look at that, everybody.
we changed a little bit the height of this one, so we're gonna have to drop this one down a little bit
Okay.
to match the other window by the door.
Yeah, so that's the door and then flanking windows right next to it.
Yes. And right here, this one is full of wood because it's in a structural section. So right here we're gonna have a post going all the way to the roof.
Goes all the way up to the roof,
To the
all the
ridge.
way over here to that
And
side,
then-
correct?
And we're gonna install a beam across the garage
Okay.
from this point to that point.
So Carlos was just saying there's going to be a main beam that's going across the roof there,
Yes.
and that's a support beam?
Yeah, because we're gonna have vaulted ceilings in the right hand side.
Ah, okay.
And flat ceilings in the left hand side.
Okay, and so basically this is framed up, then you're going to be adding that post and working on the beam?
Yes, it's gonna be a king post, so it's going from the top plate to the ridge, and then we're gonna start working on the other windows in the other side.
Okay,
So we have a 4x4 window right here,
okay.
right after the shear wall, and then in that corner we're gonna have another one. Then in that wall we're gonna have another one.
Okay.
So those are the 4x4s that are over there.
Gotcha.
This one and that one. And this one, a small section,
Mm-hmm.
is the one that is gonna go there, from that area to over there.
Okay.
So
Just like Carlos was saying, we have a main center beam in the house right here. This one right here is supporting the new main beam that is going all the way from this wall here all the way over here. And you see the post, the 4x4 right there supporting that main beam as well, all the way up to the roof. And look, you already see him framing out the this first bedroom here also. Along with another 4x4 post in the center of the ADU where the wall is going to be for the kitchen. There's also a main 4x4 that's supporting the other main beam. Now coming back over here to the bedroom that is already being framed out, you can also see the window that has been framed out. That is going to be cut out this week. We have ordered the windows, which should be ready in about 2 weeks, getting ready for installation. The last window that we're waiting on is the bathroom and also this second bedroom, which is going to be right here. You can already see they're already starting to lay out the bottom wood for the outline of the room. That other window is going to be right there. We've already called DWP to have them set up where the meter placement is going to be. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be finishing up this video right now. In the next video, you're going to see the framing complete. I'm obviously going to walk you guys through that process as it's happening. We're also going to be working on the final plumbing and the electrical. We're going to have another inspection. We're going to get those windows installed. Now this is going to finish up this fourth video here. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave some comments if you have any questions about the process that we're doing here. We'd love to hear from our community, and give us a follow.